Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from Group 3. We would like to presenting about our group project. So basically, for this project, we have to select one company to discuss about several things such as process of supply chain, e-procurement, and recommendation. So in this case, we have agreed to choose Knight as our company. Alright, so as we can see on the slide, our group consists of 5 members. Which the first member is Nur Zahira. Next, Nur Adriana Najiha, Nur Azriani, Siti Nur Aisyah, and lastly is myself, Simon Irfan Khalid. Alright, so for the introduction, as I mentioned before, we would like to choose Knight as our company. This is because of Knight is one of the most successful sport brand in the world by producing shoes and apparel. In addition, Knight is a multinational corporation that primarily operates in the sport wear and athlete footwear industry. Knight was incorporated on 20 June 1981 in Malaysia with registration number of 0071990P. For information, their objective is Knight strives to continuously develop and provide top-notch goods that satisfy the changing demand and taste of customers and athletes. Knight is engaged in the designing, marketing, distributing of athlete sport footwear, apparel, equipment, and accessory and service for sport and fitness activities. The operational segment of the company include North America, Great China, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, and Asia Pacific, also Latin America. It offers a variety of sport-related gear and accessories under the Knight brand, such as backpack, sock, sport ball, sunglasses, clock, digital device, bat, glove, and many else. As we all know, every business have their own mission and vision to ensure that their business run well and is able to achieve successful. In this case, Knight mission statement is to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. Meanwhile, their vision is to remain the most authentic, connected, and distinctive brand. In addition, the most significant things to Knight outline their core value. However, Knight is always working to improve their expand its position in the sport markets. Basically, there are several core value that owned by Knight, which community, sustainability, diversity, and social responsibility. Right, that's all from me. We'll continue with the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Nur Zahira. Next, I will continue with explaining about Nike's process of supply chain. Nike's supply chain process includes sourcing and procurement, manufacturing, distribution, retail, demand forecasting, inventory management, logistics, and sustainability. As for sourcing and procurement, Nike sources its material and components globally. Online searches, trade fairs, and business referrals help Nike identify suppliers. Nike rigorously audits potential suppliers to assure quality, ethics, and sustainability. Another supply chain process for Nike is manufacturing. Nike manufactures products in China, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand. It uses in-house and outsourced manufacturing. Nike also uses independent vendors to make its product. Moving on to another supply chain process for Nike, which is distribution. When production of an item is complete, it is sent to one of Nike's many distribution centers located in different countries. These centers are in charge of warehousing and transporting products to various retail locations. Distribution hubs for Nike can be found all over the world, including South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Moreover, Nike's process of supply chains continue with retail. Products manufactured by Nike are distributed to customers through a wide number of distribution points, such as the company's own retail locations, independent merchants, and internet retailers. Nike operates more than 1,000 retail shops across more than 50 countries. In addition, the company offers its wares through a distribution network comprised of individual shops as well as internet retailers. That is all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nur Azrini. Next, I will continue with Nike process of supply chain. Nike use different ways to keep track of its products such as JIT inventory and RFID. JIT stands for just in time, which means that Nike only makes or order product when they are needed. This helps Nike to save money and reduce waste. RFID stands for radio frequency identification, which is a technology that uses tag to track the movement of product. Nike uses RFID to track its product throughout its supply chain. This helps Nike to keep track of its product and to make sure that they are delivered on time. Furthermore, Nike uses data to predict how many products it will need to make and when it will need to make them. This data come from a variety of sources, including past sales data, customer preference, and market trend. Nike demand forecasting process is always evolving as the company strives for greater accuracy and efficiency. Not only that, but also Nike works with different companies to move its product from the factory to the store. These companies are called logistic companies. Logistic companies help to move product around the world. Last but not least, Nike is committed to using sustainable practice in its supply chain. This means that Nike is trying to reduce its environmental impact by using recycled materials, reduce waste, and working with suppliers who are committed to environmental sustainability. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
I will continue with e-procurement of Nike. The use of electronic technologies to automate the whole procurement process from the demand to payment is known as e-procurement. It entails using electronic catalogs, online bidding, and e-invoicing. E-procurement may assist organizations in increasing procurement efficiency, lowering costs, and improving supplier relationship. Contract management and supplier evaluation are components of this procedure. Companies may also use specialized e-procurement software to automate B2B interaction between the supplier and the firm. Nike use Ariba and SAP Ariba, these two procurement software solutions, to improve supply chain efficiency, lower costs, and strengthen supplier relationship. Ariba is a cloud-based procurement platform that assists organizations in managing their expenditures. Ariba offers a suite of tools that automate the entire procurement from the initial request to the final payment. This can help business save time and money and strengthen relationship with their supplier. SAP Ariba is a suite of procurement process that assists business in managing the entirety of the procurement process. It is also offer instrument for sourcing the new products and services, negotiating improve prices, and administering supplier relationship. Next is SAP Ariba system process. Identifying and qualifying vendor is a part of the sourcing process. SAP Ariba is a global supply network that enables organizations to find supplier by region, product, and service. It is also offer tools for analyzing vendors such as supplier ratings, financial data, and compliance data. After identifying a supplier, it must be qualified. This includes confirming the supplier's ability to meet the needs of the business, such as quality standards, delivery schedule, and pricing. The next stage is to negotiate price and agreement with the suppliers. SAP Ariba has capabilities for developing and managing RFIQs, requests for quotation, and RFIQ is a document used by organization to solicit quotes from the suppliers. Next is SAP Ariba also has capabilities for managing contracts and tracking negotiation. Placing order with vendor and managing the procurement process are part of the procurement stage. SAP Ariba includes purchase order creation and management functionalities. A purchase order is a document used by business to place order with vendors. SAP Ariba also has feature for tracking orders and inventory management. Next is paying vendors and managing the payment process are part of the payment stage. SAP Ariba includes invoice creation and management tools. Invoice are documents used by supplier to request payment from business. It also includes tools for handling accounts, payables, and tracking payments. For contract guided buying and supplier management, SAP Ariba is a robust procurement software suite that may assist business in improving their procurement process, lowering costs, and strengthening supplier relationship. It can help firms save time and money by automating many of the manual procedures involved in the procurement process. It is also helping organizations negotiate better rates with suppliers, cut procurement time, and eliminate the needs for paper-based operations. Furthermore, it can assist business in improving their supplier relationship by providing supplier with a single point of contact for all procurement-related activities, real-time visibility into the organization procurement needs, and feedback on their performance.
Hi, my name is Nurul Adrana Najiha. Now I will talk about conclusion and recommendation. So for the conclusion, Nike has established a sustainable and efficient supply chain. The company has implemented numerous strategies and procedures to optimize its effort in sourcing, manufacturing, distribution, retail, inventory management, logistics, and sustainability. However, Nike can still enhance its supply chain operation in certain areas. Regarding the recommendation, there are 3 points. The first one is enhance supply chain transparency and visibility by integrating advanced technology like blockchain and other digital platforms. Nike can improve product traceability and ensure compliance with ethical and environmental standards at every stage by providing consumers and stakeholders with comprehensive information about the origin, manufacturing, process, and environmental impact of Nike product. This could help in building their trust. The next one is collaboration with the supplier in order to promote sustainability initiative. The company can encourage the adoption of environmental responsible practice throughout the supply chain by working closely with suppliers and exchanging best practice. These include the promotion of sustainable materials, the reduction of pollution, and the implementation of energy efficient manufacturing process. So regular supplier evaluation and audit are required to ensure compliance with Nike's sustainability standards. The last one is expanding its focus on circular economy principles. This includes designing products with recycling and reusability in mind, as well as investigating opportunity for product, take-back program, and recycling initiative. By closing the loop on the product lifecycle, Nike is able to decrease waste and resource consumption while creating additional value for the company and its consumer. That's all from Group 3. Thank you.